guys, welcome back to my channel for once again. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to draw your eyebrow like a pro with an eyebrow pencil, and I will show you step by step what you need to do and how you need to do. So if you are a beginner, this video is going to be super helpful for you. As I told you, today I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil, and in my opinion eyebrow pencil is the most easiest option to draw your brow than gel, then a powder. So yeah, if you're a beginner, you want to start with eyebrow pencil just because it's easy and it make your brow look natural. So yeah, if you're interested, then let's just jump into the video. Alright guys, so I did all my face makeup, you can see it, just because we don't want to do the face makeup here and make the video unnecessarily long. We just want to focus on this eyebrow, and you can see that I didn't do my eyebrow. It's looking messy, same like my hair. My hair today really messy, but nothing to do. Anyway guys, so today I'm using this pencil, and this is from Benefit. This is their 4-in-1 because this one have 2 eyebrow shade, 1 definer and 1 highlighter. So it's like a pen, so you can do like this and you can switch to each. Can you see? I hope you can see. Yeah, so this is like this. So yeah, this is gonna be my first time using this one, but I love their brow pencil, and as well as other option you can go for Anastasia one. That one is good. They have ColourPop. I love all of them, so you can pick any actually eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to use this one. Alright, so I just zoomed in you guys a little bit so you guys can see everything. So first I'm going to take a spoolie. Actually for me, I always love to start with a spoolie, like brushing my eyebrow, just because it helps my eyebrow to be in place. So you want to start with the spoolie, brush your eyebrow just like that. You can see that my eyebrow now in place. Now I'm going to take this pencil and I'm taking the deeper shade from here, and then I'm going to start not from the beginning of my brow. I'm going to start from the middle. You don't want to ever start from the beginning because it will make your eyebrow not look natural and very harsh, and you don't want that. So with a very light hand, first I'm kind of making the shape for my eyebrow until the tail. I'm trying to adjust the shape of my brow by adding some color, and same thing I'm doing for the upper side too. So I'm just kind of drawing a line. And now I'm trying to just fill the gap inside. You can see how I am doing it. If something you mess it up when you are drawing, you don't have to worry because we are going to make it perfect with the concealer later on. That's pretty it. Now I'm going to switch on the lighter shade, and then I'm just gonna twist, and now I'm going to fix the front side. So I'm also kind of drawing a line and taking it like this, like upward like this, so that it looks natural and nicer. And then I'm kind of mixing both color together, the darker and the lighter shade, by filling the gap. Can you see? Now I'm going to take the spoolie again and kind of just brushing it one more time. It's gonna help the eyebrow to blend, like the color blend all together, and make it more natural and smooth at the same time. So I'm kind of just brushing it also upward. So this is pretty much it. All I have to do now is I'm going to take a concealer, and I'm going to take one brush. Where is my concealer? So sorry. Okay, so I'm just going to take a concealer and add some concealer in my brush, just like that. Of course, you can take any concealer you want. Alright, so now I'm going to slightly draw the outer line. Now you can see how I draw the line, and now you can take a beauty sponge and then just slowly blend everything out. You don't want to go above of your eyebrow and then blend, of course. You want to be really careful. Now I'm going to take a little bit more concealer and I'm going for the upper portion, and I'm going to do the same thing. Draw a line, just like that. Alright guys, so everything is blended. So why I did this one, just to clean the outer portion and make my eyebrow look really crisp. You can see how it's looking. So here's the difference. This is my eyebrow, my natural eyebrow, doing without anything, and this is the draw. So you can see the difference, how beautiful it is, and it was really easy. So for this one, I'm going to show you without having two eyebrow color. If you have just one, what you can do. Again, I'm taking the darker shade and then just making the down line. I'm going to add some color in here just because I don't have enough hair in that place. Now I'm going to draw the upper line same way. Oops, okay. And done. Now I'm just going to fill the gap inside. Alright, now you can see it's done. Now I'm going to take the spoolie first and then brush it again. I'm taking the spoolie in front as well. And then I'm going to take a really thin brush and going again all over my eyebrow. It's gonna help to fill the gap more and also give some color to my brush. That will help me to draw in front. Then I'm taking the same brush and then just drawing the line and doing the same thing, going upwards just like this. Alright, I know it's looking a little bit crazy right now, but you're gonna fix it with a concealer. So I'm just taking some concealer in my brush and then just drawing another outer line. Alright guys, so my both eyebrow is completely done, and you can see there is no any different. Like, I draw this one with two color, which is darker and lighter, and this one I just use a darker shade and then I used a brush to draw the front side, and it is looking perfect and natural, and it wasn't hard guys. Alright guys, I hope I gave you guys enough information about drawing your eyebrow with the eyebrow pencil, and I don't think that it was so hard. It just needs to be really precise. You want to work in a light hand and slowly and be patient. And if you want to draw your eyebrow with eyebrow gel or eyebrow powder, the process is almost same, but it's just like you need to be a little bit more careful when you're drawing, because sometimes it can be really you know, like something over, really over and not natural at all. But still, if you guys want to see a tutorial that drawing your eyebrow with eyebrow gel, do let me know. I will do a video like that too. But this is for the beginners and for everyone who they're suffering with eyebrow, don't know how to draw eyebrow, and don't know where to start, how to start, and how to achieve a perfect eyebrow look. This is for you guys. Alright guys, so here I'm going to end this video. I hope this video helped you guys enough, and if you guys are not a part of this family, then please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so next time I upload any video you get the first notification. And also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I have all the link in the description below. So yeah, stay good, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.